Bersatulah Indonesia, jangan pernah terpecah belah. Walau kita berbeda, walau kita tak sama, Radio Republik Indonesia, kita Indonesia sesungguhnya.
Sore Ceria, ceriain soremu bareng Pro2.
94.6 Radio Pro2 FM, semua teman terbaik kamu karena kita Indonesia. Hello teman Pro2, we're back again on Sore Ceria special with Casual English course, and this afternoon is Miss Fistri's turn. Yay! I'm really happy to have you again after a month. Of course, yeah.
Yes.
Because your turn is once a month.
Yeah.
Is that right?
That's
And
right.
Miss Fitri is with Miss Yuli. Hello.
Miss Farida.
Yay. And we're gonna talk something fun because Farida will back to my student's time last time ago when I was a student.
Yeah.
Because at that time I always choose between male or female teacher. But in this situation, the students still think like that one too, Miss?
I think yes, because they still have their originally state. That's right. Because usually female student will choose the opposite gender of the teachers.
Oh,
I don't know. It is come from their insight, I think.
Oh, okay.
Yes, kind of interest, natural interest.
Yeah. Miss Yuli,
Yeah,
is it true?
I think the student choose the same gender.
Wow, it's different from you.
different.
Yeah, different.
Then the same gender is more comfortable.
Yes.
When we want to tell us something, just like gossiping, it can be. So.
Yeah, share story or maybe like asking for a solution or something. Yeah.
Okay, Miss Yuli. But according to Miss Fitri, still the students like different gender when they choose the teacher who can teach them something, some lesson or other one. That's one. Okay, right. So you FEB student, of course, last time ago.
Yes. Some
Then
kind years ago. Okay.
yeah. And then you like different gender or the same gender at that time. Then what's your favorite subject that has to be this teacher?
Not really, actually. Fortunately, at that time, my female teacher only limited for Indonesian lesson and also Maduris. That's why my mostly teachers come from male. And for me myself, because I get closer with my dad, I suppose them as my dad. So I think I feel more familiar and more fluently to speak with them.
Okay, but no, I think it's a different situation, right, Miss?
Yes.
Because there are so many female teachers. Yeah, when we compare about female and also male.
Yes.
So we have many female teachers. So what about your experience when you were become a student? Okay.
Okay. When I become a student, so many female teacher that teach me also.
because Miss Yuli
Yeah, they are
Gen
different.
Z.
Yes, and
Of course, right?
yeah, I am kind of colonialism student. That's so ages with Miss Julie. That's why.
That's why there are many male teachers at the time when Miss Fitri became a student.
Yeah, and contrary for now, we have female teachers blooming for
Yeah,
these days.
yeah. Of course. Miss Julie, do you agree when we have a female students, it's like female headmaster headmaster, maybe it's more.
Discipline.
More discipline, more discipline and afraid.
Yeah.
Okay, the students, commonly the student afraid of her.
I think if to be a headmaster, it's about the characteristic about the self. We can judge the.
Do you mean that female is more disciplined than male? Do you think like that?
No,
Not really.
Oh, really?
no, not really.
Yeah, because Miss Farida just now said that sometimes,
Sometimes, of course.
female principal is more scary.
Yeah, it's more
than-
scary than a
than
male headmaster or male teacher.
Yeah.
We have a little case from our education, but not in Sumeneb, fortunately, right?
Alhamdulillah.
Of course, it's between discipline headmaster.
Oh, I know the viral last
Oh,
month.
yes,
Sorry.
really viral during this week.
Yeah,
during this week.
Happen
This week-
again
This week, yeah.
this week.
I mean, this 2 week.
Yeah,
right?
around this week.
Of
Yeah, okay.
course, their headmaster. I mean, in West Java, I guess.
West Java,
West Java. That she really disciplines, I guess. And then she give a little touch
Yes, that's for the student.
for the students. Then the students report her to a police officer.
Yeah. And it's happened
okay.
viral.
It's happened. It's viral. That's so. I think female headmaster or female teacher is more disciplined than a male. But it's not all.
Not
just
all,
like
yeah.
Miss Julie said. Yeah. So, do you have any experience when you were become a student last time ago? Something valuable from male or female student, male or female teacher?
Yeah. Okay, maybe we can go with Miss Julie first because Miss Julie has different opinion with me. So maybe you can share first, Miss.
Okay. When I was in the student,
Huh?
I like to ask and talk with the female teacher because I think I have same feeling with her, and then I more better, comfortable if I beside her.
Oh,
If I asking about the question with her like this, Miss Fitri.
Yeah, I see.
Aduh,
Thank you.
Telling a story, judge her like a mom at home.
Yeah,
Like a friend also.
Yeah, actually,
right.
we have shared the story in the same tone.
Okay.
Because
Okay.
we are same gender. I think we can talk about something as long as we have interest.
Yeah. I agree with that one. So, what your experience, Miss Fitri?
Yeah, back to my experience in past time. I think male teachers is more favorable because the available in around me is more male teachers. But for me, fortunately, they are more patient and rarely showing their emotion. Sometimes if they have to make us discipline, they do it in a joke. But for my female teachers, I rarely find the jokes between them, especially for making us discipline. She just go with that strict one.
Oh, serious.
Yeah, but for male teachers, they do it with jokes, so we cannot feel that we are pushed.
Oh, all right. So, I have also a memory about my male teacher. Last
you
time
have
ago,
to.
my male teacher liked to give a lesson in my school in the class with a story.
Yeah, sometimes.
Because I'm in Islamic boarding school. I mean, in a private school. Yeah.
Wow.
Sometimes the teacher, our male teacher, gave me about Khulafaur Rashidin story.
Oh, it's so nice.
Yeah. Abu Nawas story.
And
That
they are
one.
also male gender, right?
Yeah.
I think, it is kind of, we are female student, but the most story come from the male actor.
Yeah.
Seldom we have the story about the female one.
Yeah, that's one. So, teman Pro 2, do you want to hear another experience from Miss Fitri and Miss Yuli students? Don't go anywhere. We're still in Sore Ceria, special with Kashitulan English course.
Sore Ceria, ceriain soremu bareng Pro 2. 92,1 Pro 2 film teman terbaik kamu. Kita bacain dulu postingan teman Pro 2. Kali ini ada Mariana yang katanya pengen titip salam buat Mbak Nur yang lagi di Paris. Semangat berjuang ya. Wah, kalau gitu aku puterin nih lagu spesial buat kamu yang lagi berjuang tapi belum pernah diperjuangkan ya.
Oui, allô? Excusez-moi, je suis dehors.
Ada Mariana yang katanya pengen titip salam buat Mbak Nur yang lagi di Paris. Semangat berjuang ya.
Wah, Mar, aku krungu lo salamu. Matur nuwun lo tombo kangen. Tak kirimi salam balik neng TikTok ya.
Samo-samo.
Bundo, jangan main TikTok tarui.
Ho 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 ho.
Bundo, awak baru dapat info lowongan Karajo di aplikasi.
Elo-elo buyuang, banyak panipu.
Indang lah Bundo. RRI News.
Nyanyi lagu apa kita, Pace?
RRI digital saja toh.
Paten kali lagu campur sari ini. Sesekali jazz lah.
Linda, semangat ya manggungnya.
Iya dong, kan mau manggung di komunitas.
RRI ada di berbagai platform. Sekarang banyak cara menikmati RRI. Kamu yang mana?
Wih, keren banget nih. Katanya ada obat herbal bisa mencegah sakit gigi seumur hidup.
Ada hoax tuh.
Widih. Ini juga keren nih. Ada sumber energi baru PLTH, pembangkit listrik tenaga hampa.
Iya, itu juga hoax kali. Lu bacanya apaan sih? Aduh, pantesan portal abal-abal lu baca. Kalau mau baca berita yang lengkap tapi udah verified, mulai dari berita nasional, internasional, olahraga, gaya hidup sampai hiburan, lu cukup klik rri.co.id. Di situ lu juga bisa streaming RRI digital. Aduh, makanya cek-cek dulu biar gak kegocek di rri.co.id.
Sore Ceria, ceriain soremu bareng Pro 2.
Okay, welcome back to Sore Ceria with Kashitulan English course and teman Pro 2. As we said and as we shared just now that we have experience with male and female teachers, and now I pronounce you with these boys beside me. Hi, Mas.
Hi. Hello,
What is
everyone.
your name?
So first, let me introduce myself. My name is Aditya Kusanto. I'm from Semansa.
Oh.
I'm great. I'm 12th grade.
12th grade.
It's nice to meet you all.
Wow, very good, Mas Radit. So, what about the boys next to Mas Radit? What is your name, Mas?
Yeah, hello.
Mhm.
My name
Hi.
is Ahmad Haris Sadidanto. You can call me Haris, and I'm 12th grade at Senior Rec School 1 Sumeneb.
Wow, also Semansa.
Yeah.
And Miss Julie, do you remember something? Maybe are you graduated from Semansa too?
Yeah, I'm from Semansa.
Oh my God! So we are Semansa lover and Semansa big family. I am also graduated from Semansa.
like
So
a big
teman Pro 2, because we are having the same experience, even though I have passed away. And Miss Julie also have the long years experience with male and female teachers. Now I would like to ask Mas Radit. Mas Radit, what about your teachers? Are they mixed from male and female teachers teaching you?
Yeah, they are like they are mates with female and teacher, female and male. But
Okay.
most of them are female.
Females. Wow. Okay. And then, how many lessons do you have at the class?
Well, I lost count.
Okay.
Maybe there are chemistry, physics, English, Indonesia,
I see.
Madranis, and biology, etc. That's all that I could think of.
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay. Are they still 23 or more than 20?
Pardon?
The lesson is more than 20 or is still around 20?
I think it's around 20.
Around 20. And
20.
how many male teacher and female teacher do you have?
There are in total, if I must check, there are 3 or 4 teachers in there.
Only for male teachers?
Yeah, I think so. Wait, no, I think there's 2.
Oh my God, so limited, right?
Yeah, that's kind of limited if I do say so.
Okay, thank you, Mas Radit. And what about you, Mas Haris? Do you also have only 4 male teachers in your class?
In my class, I have 2 male teachers.
2 male teachers?
Yes.
Wow, it's lower than Mas Radit.
Yeah.
I think it's 2. I think I forgot.
Okay, so we have a similar experience with Miss Julie just now. We have different era. I have so many male teachers, and you have limited male teachers, right? Okay, so
Different years.
yes, time flies.
Yeah.
And Mas Haris, the 2 male teachers, what lesson are they teaching you?
Yeah, my teacher teach sport and
Math?
no.
No.
My teacher
Physics?
teach not physics.
Uh-huh.
Maybe culture.
Culture.
Yes.
Wow. Okay. Culture is related with Madurese and national culture, right?
Yes, that's right.
So many stories inside.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you like them?
No, of course I like them.
Okay. You only
but
have 2, right?
I like my teacher when I was 11th grade.
11th grade. You like them more.
Yeah.
Than
I
your
like
grade now.
Mr. Yetno.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah.
Mr. Yetno.
Why I like him?
Uh-huh.
Because for the
Tell me.
first, he is friendly teacher, and the secondly maybe he is my partner when I join calisthenics.
Oh, I see. So he
Yeah.
has experience by accompanying you.
Yeah.
Okay.
And beside that, when I'm difficult,
You get difficult.
of course, he can help me.
Help you.
Wow.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
to get
helpful
suggestion and beside that maybe help me to
Overcome your problem?
Yes, overcome my problem.
That's good. It is the function of teacher.
Yeah.
Right, Miss Yuli?
Yeah, Mr. Yatno.
So,
So kind.
do you have remember about Mr. Yatno?
Yeah, I still remember till now, ma'am.
Yeah.
Actually, Mr. Yatno is kind people.
Wow, okay. There are so many jokes come from him too.
Yes.
So, Mr. Radit, do you have Mr. Yatno in your lesson too?
Luckily, yes.
Wow.
I have one. And
Okay.
just like Haris said, he
Okay.
is the most wonderful teacher that I could have.
Oh my God.
He is
So-
also my partner, and he is also accompanying me when I was in trouble when I learned English.
Wow, so.
And he is a nice person above all the teacher that I have.
Yes.
He's the nicest one.
so much smiles come from him, and also he is not so what is it, strict, yeah, with us, yeah.
Yeah.
Sometimes they invite us to make a joke, to have
Yeah.
chit chat with him,
Yeah.
even though it's only trivial things. Okay, so teman berdua, I think you have also your own favorite teachers, and whatever male or female they are, we have to proud with them. Okay, I want to ask more about female teachers because we have so much talking about male teachers just now. Okay, so Mas Radit and Mas Haris, I want to ask Mas Haris first.
Yeah.
Do you have female teachers favorite?
Yes, I have female teacher favorite.
Who is she? What lesson is
She
it? And what
is Mrs. Desi.
Mrs. Desi.
Yeah, she is my English teacher in
English teacher.
Senior High School once one.
Oh my God.
Yeah, and she is friendly teacher.
Wow. Okay,
Mas Haris,
Desi. Yeah.
She's a new teacher.
No, she is not new teacher.
Oh, I thought she was new. She was new to the school. I thought because
Yeah,
you know,
maybe I
because,
forgot.
Okay, yeah.
because
She
I
just moved.
because her face looks so like like younger.
Oh yeah, I see. As I know, maybe Miss Desi is kind of my younger sister in my senior high school.
Yes, that's right.
Okay, so Miss Desi, your student are here. You must be proud with him.
Miss
Okay,
Desi.
so teman berdua, if you have same experience with Mas Radit and also Mas Haris, don't forget to share with us and also join us in RRI Digital. Okay, let's continue with our story. Mas, female teacher and male teacher, which one do you think is more strict? Because Miss Farida just now has experience about strict female teachers and female principal. What do you think about that? Is it right that female teacher is more strict?
Fortunately, yes. They are more strict than males.
Do you have some kind of bad experience about?
No, I don't have any bad experience. It's just that lack of discipline when I was 10th grade.
Oh,
So
I
yeah,
see.
they were really
Discipline.
strict. They were really strict to me. So yeah,
Have you ever got touch from the female teacher?
there are some of them that I attached to.
Okay, touch here means that you have to be more disciplined, right?
Yeah, you have to be more disciplined.
Okay, so don't touch your heart. It's okay because we are in the kind of making a good habit, right? What about you, Mas Haris?
Yeah.
Have you same experience with Mr. Radit just now,
With
talking
Mr.
about female teachers
Female
who
teacher.
have disciplined him?
Female teacher. I think if I have female teacher, it is so hard if discipline is.
Let me guess.
Yeah.
Let me guess. Is it physics teacher?
Yeah.
Hey, maybe I know who is he.
Oh,
How you know?
because we are in the same
Sorry.
circle.
I
Okay.
think we both know. who is
Okay,
she.
so teman sore ceria, when you come from Semansa students, don't take too much with us. Our stories is maybe not available with you because you have different opinion or different experience with us. But yes, it is our experience. Okay, so female teacher is more disciplined. Wow. Okay. Now, talking about discipline, when the teachers give you warning, which do you think you have to take attention more? Female teachers or male teachers?
I think it's female teacher. to be
Female
honest.
teacher,
because,
still female
because
teacher.
because I have like 2 teachers from 10th grade and 12th grade who is the same lesson physics gave me a warning when I was chatting with someone.
Oh my God!
When it is time for Quran session.
Concession. You have no concentration with that one.
Yeah, I accidentally chatted one of my friends, and 2 of them saw me and gave me a punishment.
Oh my God,
The first
yeah.
one gave me a punishment by went to the console office, and the second teacher, which is 12th grade, let's just say that she
I'm
gave
so sorry
me.
to hear that, Mas
She
Radit.
gave, I have to read Quran in front of the class.
Wow.
So like it's like embarrassing.
Wow.
But luckily I was not the only one. There are
so many of your friends.
A few of my friends
Okay.
who gave the same punishment as,
Oh my God.
as me.
I think that the students now rarely have the attention with the teachers, Miss Yuli.
Yeah.
What do you think about that? Do you have some experience of having some of your friends getting punishment together?
Maybe no, because
I think your era is more disciplined.
Yeah.
Oh, good, Mas Radit. It is the good example. Okay, but I think yes, it is
maybe just
kind
one or two students that
that
have
having.
punishment.
I see. Yeah, it is so usual. I think common happen in every level every years. Okay. So what about you, Mas Haris?
Yes,
Between male and female teachers, which one is more scary in front of you?
I think it is male teacher.
Male teacher.
Why?
Why do you have
Yeah.
that opinion?
Yeah, because from male teacher, for myself, according to me, it is so disciplined. For example, maybe from teacher of counseling.
Okay.
Yeah. Wow. It is very disciplined. Yeah.
They are very, very disciplined when it comes to counsel.
Okay. I think very memorable, right?
Yeah.
Very memorable.
I have thinking that you have something touchy from him. What kind of disciplinary that you get from him?
From him, I cannot get discipline something. Yeah, but yeah, my friend get discipline warning.
Oh,
yeah.
I see. Okay.
Because he is late to coming in my school.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, so he get point from my teacher.
How many
Oh my
times,
God.
How many times did he late for the school?
Yeah, he late maybe 5 minutes.
5 minutes?
Oh,
Wow,
yeah,
it
5
is,
minutes.
it is enough.
How many times? I mean, like how many times? I mean, like 2 or 3 or 4 times.
No.
More than.
one times?
Yeah, more than.
Few times.
Yeah.
Wow, I think yes. So teman ceria, sore ceria, don't forget to come early to school because coming late for the student it is so inappropriate. So talking about male and female teacher, we have to postpone until next season. See you.
Bye.
Sore ceria, ceriain soremu bareng Pro2. Ini baru enak.
Bentar Mi. Nih.
Ngapain sih, Pi? Ganggu aja.
Skor timnas dulu yang semalam nih di RRI News.
Mami, Papi, aku baru aja diinterview di Pro2 FM.
Jadi F&B sekarang tuh macam-macam. Kalau sekarang kan COVID-nya udah banyak.
Ini baru enak.
Yes, menang. Aku di Pro2.
Tapi,
Jangan rebutan. Eits, jangan rebutan. RRI bisa dinikmati dari mana aja dan di mana aja. RRI multi-platform, multi-konten. RRI punya kita.
RRI Digital dengan tampilan baru, berbagai konten kolaborasi dari berbagai program nasional, termasuk siaran visual langsung, siaran radio langsung, daftar putar musik, podcast, berita video, dan berbagai fitur interaksi pengguna dalam permainan. Berbagai konten menarik seperti suka, komentar, dan berbagi, serta obrolan langsung dengan penyiar dan pengguna. Pesan langsung dan fasilitas obrolan pribadi antara pengguna aplikasi juga tersedia. RRI Digital tersedia di Google Store dan App Store. RRI Digital.
Sore Ceria, ceriain soremu bareng Pro 2.
Welcome back to our sessions, teman ceria, and then still with 4 of us here. I think our discussion just now having a hit, Miss Julie, because we have same experience because we are in the same circle. Yeah. Okay, Mas Radit and Mas Haris, thank you to share with us your experience just now. And this time, unfortunately, we have to close this session. Maybe you have something that you really want to share with your teacher, whether in your school or maybe in Kasitolan English course, you may welcome. I would like to give time for Mr. Harris first. Maybe you have something to give to us in order to make our teaching method more interesting. Please.
Okay. Now I will give suggestion to my teacher in my school in Senoric School 1 Sumenep and KEC. Yeah. For my teacher, I want to my teacher always good mood and and friendly to all students.
Very important.
Thank you for
I
your
think
input.
it is my suggestion.
Only that, only that. So you everything the other of that that your opinion just now is okay. Yeah? Only that one, the suggestion. Okay, thank you, Mas Haris.
Yes, you're welcome.
It is kind of richness heart for us. Thank you. And Mas Radit, what kind of suggestion do you have?
I have some suggestion for both KSC and my teacher.
Oh, thank you.
At my school.
Okay.
First, KSC, please do not give us so much homework.
Oh my God, are we?
No. I'm like for me, okay? Because I also have so much homework at school. I have so much homework.
Understood.
And the final one for the KSC is that thank you for being in my life.
Oh my God,
I really cherish it.
I see. So Mas Radit, thank you to come to our institution and share.
For my teacher from my school, I just want to say that please give students a little homework, please, because they have no more, because they don't have any.
Your free time is so limited.
Yeah, my time is so limited because I have to do so much homework that I can't even think straight anymore. And for the last suggestions, for the last thinking, thank you for Miss Rini, Mr. Kuzai.
Oh my God, yes.
Miss Lena for being with me and my classmates.
Oh, thank you very much. Are they your favorable teachers, right?
Yeah, they're my favorite teacher. And also one of our, let's just say that, they're just like a part of our family.
Oh my God.
Like a second family that I never had. They cherish me and my classmates a lot.
Oh my God, yes.
It's so sad that after this, all of my classmates, including me, will eventually separated from the school, and I may be separated from this course too.
Oh my God. Yeah, sorry.
Because I have to go somewhere else. Especially Haris too. He has to go to another university.
Yeah, okay. It is kind of your next step to go, right?
Yeah.
Even though I feel touchy and nearly come with my tears, but I have to be tough. Miss Julie, we have some sweet suggestion just now. What do you think about that?
Maybe you first, ma'am?
Yes. Yeah, from Mr. Haris, we have to make something more moody and different from the others. Maybe we have to limit our immersion and teaching in incredible way, maybe. like Mas Radit said just now, to reduce the time to giving homework.
Yeah.
So what do you think about that?
Especially physics teacher that give us so much homework.
Oh my God.
But that's fine. That's fine.
Okay, so what do you think about that, Mas Yuli? I think it is kind of good suggestion, right?
Yeah, it's good. And I think I agree with the
Boys,
Mas Radit,
Yes.
right? Mas Radit suggestion.
Okay.
If the teacher also give the student so much homework.
Okay.
So much homework, yes.
Okay, so we agree that maybe the other student outside will get your opinion and your suggestion, Mas. Thank you very much for being with us. And teman sore ceria, I think even though you have so much story to share with us, I'm so sorry because the time is so limited. I think we can go up again and see you again in the same session, in the same occasion with teman Pro 2. See you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Bye everyone. Assalamualaikum.
See you next time.
Thank you.
Hope we meet again soon.
Thank you.
Sore ceria, ceriain soremu bareng Pro 2.